Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. No state assistance for truck owners having more than 2 trucks, says Curchorem MLA Nilesh Cabral. Government will declare policy soon. Only 8,000 trucks register for package. Showpiece of Commonwealth Games 2010 aerostat for Goa Lusophobia Games. CWG committee to sell aerostat worth 57 crores for 1 rupee. Goa authorities await official confirmation. Enforcement Directorate probing 45 cases of FEMA violations in Goa. Major involvement of British and Russian nationals in land deals. Goa recorded 482 alleged FEMA violation deals. Three Kings Feast celebrated across the state. Feast marks joy of giving and glorious celebration of birth of Jesus Christ. Offers gifts of kindness and prosperity. And Goa's Brandon Fernandes keeps England dreams alive. No offer from Reading or Leicester yet, but more clubs are watching me, says Brandon. Now the news in detail. Truck owners having up to 1 or 2 trucks will be able to avail the benefits of government's compensation package. MLA Nilesh Cabral conveyed this proposed state policy to the truck owners at the meeting in Curchorem on Saturday. Truck owners having more than 2 trucks will not be included as beneficiaries under the scheme. Around 8,000 trucks have already registered with Mines Department for the package out of reported 23,000 in the mining business.
Truck owners affected due to mining ban held a meeting on Saturday at Curchorem. Local MLA Nilesh Cabral briefed the truck owners about the government's proposed package.
आज दुसरे म्हणल्यार सरकारान डिसाइड केलेले आसा आता पॅकेज म्हणटाले कितें पॅकेजीक जे हांव थोडक्यात सांगूंक सोदता डिक्लेअर करतले ऑफिशियली फाटल्यान पूण पॅकेज जे आसा 2 गाड्यांक मिनिमम जे ओनर आसा 2 गाड्यांचो पॅकेज मेळटलो जे ओनराक 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15 गाड्यो आसा तांकां सगळे पूण मिनिमम 2 गाड्यांक पॅकेज दिवपाची फर्स्ट लॉटान दिवपाचे थारायल्लें आसा.
President of South Goa Truck Owners Association Prakash Rao Desai placed the demands of the association during this meet.
सगळी पात्रांवांची जे आमकां सजेक्शन दिलेलें आसा तें सजेक्शन आमी सरकारा मुखार मांडटले. सजेक्शन एक ट्रक ओनरांक 50,000 म्हयन्याक दिवपाचे. इन्शुरन्स जे आसा तें इन्शुरन्स गव्हर्मेंटान इन्शुरन्साचे इन्शुरन्स जे आसा आमगेले इन्शुरन्साक आमगेले एक आमकां इन्शुरन्स हें करपाचें माफ करपाचें. रोड टॅक्स जे आसा ते आमगेले ज्यो मायनींग चालू जाय पासून सद्या बंद दवरपाचें वर्साचें. आनी गव्हर्मेंटान ज्यो आमची जी गाडी गव्हर्मेंट लोन जे आसा तें लोन जे गव्हर्मेंटान आमी EDC ट्रान्सफर करपाचें आनी तें आमकां लोना मातशें आमकां सरकारान मदत करपाचें. ज्यो वेळे पासून गाडी चालू जायना तें मायनींग चालू जायना ते वेळे पासून आमकां तें लोन माफ करपाचें.
Industries Minister Mahadev Naik assured to execute the schemes for truck and barge owners at the earliest.
पहिली सुवातेर जेन्ना पहिली मीटिंग घेतली तेन्ना आमचे कडेन 7,189 ट्रक रजिस्टर जाले. ताजे उपरांत तांकां आनी 15 दिसां मुदत दिली. त्या वेळार आनी 800 रजिस्टर जाले. आज तेंचे ओव्हरड्यू जे जाल्ले आसा ते 673 crores आसा. जशें आमी ह्यो स्किमी सगळ्यो मार्गा लायल्यो तशें हेय सुद्दां मार्गा लागतले.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had made it clear a couple of days back that government will finalize the package for mining ban affected people and get it passed by the State Assembly after the hearing on mining case before the Supreme Court on 17 January. Mayur Naik and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Lusophobia Games in Goa will display aerostat of Commonwealth Games 2010. Aerostat worth Rs 57 crores, the showpiece of Commonwealth Games, is set to find a new home in Goa Lusophobia Games. The Commonwealth Games Organising Committee has agreed to sell the aerostat to Goa government for 1 rupee. The State Sports Secretary Keshav Chandra confirmed the approval in principle while speaking to Prudent. However, there is no official communication from the Union Sports Ministry.
The Goa government wants to use the aerostat for Lusophonian Games. 12 Portuguese countries will take part in this mega sports event scheduled in November this year. The Goa Sports Ministry had written to the Union Sports Ministry expressing willingness to buy the aerostat.
हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया था उनको कि हमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दे दीजिए, तो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट तो वो दे रहे ₹1 के इस पे, लेकिन अभी कोई अप्रूवल मेरे हाथ में आया नहीं है वो
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से।
हाँ
ओके, अगर आपने फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट गोवा ने लिया तो बाद में गोवा के पास रहेगा ये वापस सेंट्रल लेके जाएगी?
हमारे पास रहेगा,
गोवा में ही रहेगा।
हाँ गोवा में ही रहेगा।
ओके, और लेटर इसका यूज क्या है?
अब वो बहुत सारा इनोवेटिव यूज हो सकता है इसका।
ओके,
बहुत इनोवेटिव यूज हो सकता है।
This showpiece, costing crores, was lying packed in steel containers at the Delhi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. CEO of CWG Organizing Committee, Jarnail Singh, while speaking to a news agency in Delhi, has confirmed the report. Goa government had written to us showing interest to buy the aerostat. It's presently in our custody. We have decided to hand over aerostat to Goa government for ₹1 as we cannot charge anything from a government agency. The state sports ministry is now awaiting official confirmation and communication on the aerostat from the Union Sports Ministry. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
The Enforcement Directorate is probing 45 cases of companies having foreign nationals as directors buying land in Goa since 2008, allegedly in violation of the Foreign Exchange Management Act, that's FEMA. Information indicates major involvement of British and Russian nationals in the land deals. In the year 2006, 482 cases of alleged FEMA violations by foreigners in land deals were detected in Goa.
In many cases, the Enforcement Directorate received complaints from the Goa State Registrar regarding violations of forex regulations, while some cases were forwarded by the Reserve Bank of India. Of the 45 cases, investigations have already been completed in 9 involving properties valued at an estimated 7.85 crore rupees. Show cause notices have also been issued for violating FEMA. The lands have been allegedly sold to companies registered by an Indian but had foreign nationals as directors or shareholders who later took ownership of the property. Using this route, the foreigners, mostly Russians and British nationals, were able to acquire properties by sidestepping the rule that needs them to stay in India for 183 days to be eligible to buy property. In 2 other cases, adjudication proceedings have been completed and penalties amounting to 17 lakh rupees and 9 lakh rupees imposed on the companies and their directors respectively. In the year 2006, 482 cases of alleged FEMA violations by foreigners in land deals were detected in Goa. Of these, Bardez 351, Panji 75, Salset 37, Kankon 12, Pedne 3, Mormugaon 3, Sange 1, other talukas nil. Apart from corporate entities, foreign individuals are also involved in buying properties violating forex rules. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.